Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find the intersection between f of x and x axis. So that means f of x equals to number 0. And we have the functions in here. We calculate about this one, so we have two solutions. So we got about s equal to number 1 and s equal to negative a over 3. So we need to wrap the function in here. So the graph should be like this. Next, they want to find the area from negative number 1 to positive number 2. So negative number 1 in here, positive number 2 in here. So the area that should be like this. And we need to find this area in here. Now, from negative number 1 to positive number 1, that's about in the negative. Because this is in the negative, we need to put the negative sign in here, so that they will change the negative area into the positive area. Because the question they want to find the positive area, that's why we need to put the negative sign in here. And we have the function in here. And we have the interval from 1 to 2 because this is positive. That's why we just put about positive sign here. We calculate about this one. So you will got about s to the power of 3 plus 5 over 2s square minus 8s. And we have the boundary from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Similar for this one. Don't forget about the negative sign here. So we put number 1 in here, negative number 1 in here. And this one you got about negative. This one we got about negative number 14. Similar for this one. That's about 13 over 2. And we sum two numbers together. That's 41 over 2. Now, let's go to the next one. We do the same technique. So we have two solutions. That's a negative number 5 and negative number 7. We look carefully, negative number 5 to negative number 1. The graph should be like this. But from negative 5 to negative number 1, they are in the positive area in here. So that means because this is positive area, we just write only one iteration from negative number 5 to negative number 1. So in this situation, we just put the value in here. And this will be about s to the power of 3 over 3 plus 12s squared over 2 plus 35s, and we have the boundary from negative number 5 to negative number 1. So we put the number in here and we got the final answer. So we got about 112 over 3. Similar for the last one. So we have two solutions. That's about negative number 4 and 7 over 4. And the graph should be like this. So we have negative number 4, 7 over 4 in here. But they start from negative number 3 and they end at number 4 in here. So that means the area we need to concentrate from here to here, somewhere in here. So we have the negative area and positive area. So we need to divide into two intervals. The first one, we have the negative side from negative number 3 to 7 over 4. And then we have positive from 7 over 4 to number 4. So we do the same technique. And we put this one go in here. And we got a final answer. So we put a number in here. We got this number and the second one. And this is about second number. We sum two numbers together. And we got about 9,119 over 48. This is the end. Thank you for watching.